Investors and traders, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the key US stocks that we have been following for quite some time. This video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. We are looking at the daily chart of the stock Apple. If you have been following our channel and our videos for some time, you will know that we have been watching some really key levels which have been met in terms of our target of $150 per share level. And then the market went into a consolidation. So that's a trading range shown in here in the shaded area. And then we were looking for a possible $143 level as a possible support. That in fact did turn out to be support, and now the stock seems to be breaking out of this range. So guys, I'm going to remove this because that's a support which has been held. So I'll just remove that. What we are looking at now is that if this breakout is successful, so we're going to give it another day to take a look at. So we like to take a look at two consecutive daily closes. Then the next target in terms of the price level that we're watching for is around $165 per share level. I had done a video on a longer term outlook for the Apple stock. We do have higher targets based on higher time frames, such as the weekly chart. I will put a link to that video in the description, and if you're interested, you can go and have a look at those targets. But we are looking at somewhere around 175 $177 per share level, so that's like challenging these highs right over here, the highs of the 17th of August 2022. Let's take a look at the Microsoft. So again, our target of $277 per share was met, and after that the stock went into, just like Apple, into a consolidation, and in fact it pulled back right into this channel. This track which you see was at one time a repellent zone, and we were looking for the stock to pull back, and we were expecting for this channel, the track, to act as a propellant zone, which in fact it did after the stock formed a double bottom on 13th of March, and it has had a really strong move right here. So here, perhaps this stock can go and challenge the 290 share $90 per share level, right at the double top here. But the price action of today is rather surprising, or in other words, a little bit puzzling, in the sense that Apple stock did pretty well, and Microsoft had a down day. So it looks like perhaps money has just gone out of Microsoft and gone into Apple, but we don't know. But what we are doing for the moment is we are just watching the price action to unfold. We do have some other higher level targets on higher time frames. Again, I'll put a link to the video in the description. If you're interested, you can have a look at that video and you'll know what we are talking about. Then we will take a look at the stock Amazon. All right, guys, so this Amazon, what we think is that is moving in an ABCD formation, which is mentioned in this green dotted line, with a target of $120 per share level. But that, of course, is all dependent upon this support level of around $88 per share level, which is right at the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. As long as this is held, then we think that this ABCD formation might be the correct way to look at the stock. We also had drawn this horizontal line here right at the what's this level, about $97 per share level, and we were looking for the stock to close above that as a positive sign, and in fact that could give us further guidance if the stock is actually moving in this ABC formation or not. The stock did close above that, then it had a bit of a consolidation, retested these lows. It did have a negative close today, but still a close above that level, so we'll keep on watching the price action and look for any further resistance level if it encounters any one of those. All right, so let's take a look at Tesla. So guys, this Tesla stock, this $220 per share level, we have been mentioning that for quite a long time now. The stock is actually just going into consolidation. The 50% level is of the 50% retracement of this entire move high from the 105 level. It comes around $160 per share level. We have this open gap here, and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement comes around $145 per share level. So we are just watching for the price action to give us more clues. But at the moment, the stock just seems to be stuck in a trading range and consolidating, perhaps. Then let's take a look at Meta. All right, guys. So we were looking for $200 per share level for quite some time. Finally, we got that. The price is kind of consolidating right here. It broke out of this range, and now the price actually moved a little bit back into the range. We have an open gap here, 185 to around $180 per share level. It's possible price could actually move down here, but this 38.2% Fibonacci retracement right at the key level of psychologically important level of $200 per share level might prove to be a bit of a tough resistance for the stock. So we are just watching the price action in this stock. Let's take a look at Roblox. All right, guys. So the Roblox, we think the price is actually moving in this ABC formation higher to around $57 per share level to about $61 per share level. This is of course dependent upon the support levels right here remaining intact. What we are looking at is this triangle area which I've drawn. We have structural resistance present here. So one, two, three times it came into this zone. The stock was not able to take it out. Fourth time, will it be able to? We'll have to see. Again, we also have this ladle line going from this left hand side corner of the screen to the right hand side corner, also providing resistance. Possible resistance we have seen so far. The price, kind of consolidated over the last couple of trading days. So we'll just keep on watching in the price section and see if it's able to take out this resistance level coming from this triangle formation, and then it will give us more clues that what we are thinking, that if indeed this ABCD pattern is in play, and whether it could actually get down to about 57 to $60 per share level or not. So thank you very much, guys, for watching the videos. If you like how we analyze the market using the pattern recognition and also Fibonacci retracements, and please do subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed watching the video and you found it of educational value, please do like the video. It just gives me an indication that people actually find the video good from an educational perspective, and it just encourages me to keep on producing more videos for you guys for educational purposes. Thank you very much for watching the video. Good luck and good trading.